Ikea's marketing magic. Ikea's food business wasn't just a random experiment, but a well thought out strategy to drive their furniture sales. IKEA stores are usually located on the outskirts due to the huge size and far away from the regular restaurants are. So their initial idea was to actually provide food to the people so that they can hang around for longer time as well as they don't have to go out for a short snack break or lunch. So IKEA works on the fact that hungry customers buy less. These food stores were not intended to be profit centers. The idea was to lure customers to buy low price, easily available, tasty meals that would help them to buy big ticket furniture purchases. So basically guys, IKEA's food halls serve two purposes. Number one is to increase the footfall and drive more number of customers to the store. And number two is the extended time for the visitors, which means extended time for shopping, which will eventually help them in making big ticket furniture purchases. Smart, isn't it guys?